this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our anti-glare screen, blue screen for a BMW X5 CIC. And this unit comes with internal Apple CarPlay. So by going to apps, we can choose the internal Apple CarPlay, which is this app right here, Z-Link. And it's connecting to my phone right now, and it does Apple CarPlay, and I can use the knob to scroll left and right without any problem and select the app that I want. And in this car actually we add our external microphone, and that's where we locate the external microphone to do the Apple CarPlay. And also we use our extension, and also we use our external extension USB to run the USB for Apple CarPlay, internal Apple CarPlay, to the armrest. So by closing the armrest, you can hang your phone somewhere close to your dash and you can do the Apple CarPlay. So all the functions work with the iDrive knob, and we can go back to factory screen. And we can use factory nav, factory backup camera. It retains all the factory features. By holding the menu button, I can go back to aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get this type of anti-glare screen, blue screen, you can order them online. This is the highest quality screen that we have. You can order them online from 4x4shop.ca. That's exclusively from 4x4shop.ca. Order them online and order the accessories you want, and you can order Intel, not Apple CarPlay. It does Android Auto too, which is amazing option that you can add to these screens. Thank you and have a great day.